When people ask what the first 30 days of using that menu app is like, they usually expect a big shift, a rollout, a learning curve, a moment where everything shifts. That's not what happens. The first 30 days, you shouldn't expect a transformation. You should expect relief. In the first week, most of the work happens behind the scenes. Menus get set up correctly, information gets aligned, and details get tweaked. On the floor, nothing feels different yet, and that's intentional. Service feels the same. Staff works the same way, and guests still order the same way. Because the goal isn't disruption, it's stability. By the second week, small things start to get noticed. Guests hesitate less. Staff spends less time double checking, and orders come in clearer. Managers stop getting pulled over for the same clarifications. No announcements, no training overhaul. The shift just feels smoother. By week 3, new habits start forming. Staff trusts where information lives. Guests move through decisions faster. And training feels lighter for new hires. You start hearing things like, guests already know what they want. I didn't have to explain that all night. That used to be a problem, but now it isn't. Those comments matter because they're coming from the floor, not from a report. By week 4, managers notice something else. Fewer interruptions, fewer corrections, fewer moments where they're getting pulled into small decisions. The system fades into the background, not because it's invisible, but because it's doing its job. And everyone's thinking more about giving great service. It's usually not a moment where everyone says, that changed everything overnight. Restaurants don't work like that. Instead, something quieter happens. People stop mentioning the problems that they used to. And that silence is the signal. In restaurants, improvements rarely announce themselves. They show up as fewer questions, fewer corrections, and fewer explanations. When something stops being discussed, it's because it stopped being a problem. The first month with that menu app isn't about optimization. It's about confirmation. Confirmation that the menu can carry more clarity and that guests can order more confidently. That's the foundation everything else is built on. The first 30 days with that menu app don't feel dramatic. They feel steadier. And in restaurants, steady is powerful. Because when systems quietly reduce friction, people don't have to work around them anymore. They can just run the restaurant.